Hi there, this is Janet Stevenson, School Improvement Resource Teacher, and I'm taking a minute to let you know a little bit about upcoming system accreditation for Brevard Public Schools. Brevard Public Schools will be preparing for system accreditation in school year 2021. Some of you may remember Brevard went through accreditation in January of 2016. The time has come around again every 5 years, and there are some things we want you to know about to prepare now. We know you have a lot to think about right now, and so we want to tell you about it in just little increments. This is our first little increment. The School District of Brevard first received accreditation in 2011 and then again in 2016. We received accreditation in 2016 from Advanced Ed, which is now Cognia. Accreditation is a voluntary method of quality assurance. Under system accreditation, all non-charter public schools in the district are fully accredited and have access to scholarships, loans, post-secondary education, and military programs that require students to graduate from an accredited institution. There are two parts to the system accreditation process: an internal reflection and external review process.